everyone, welcome back to another live stream. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the river from the 21st to the 25th of November 2022 on Monday. Nomafo learned just how much trouble she is in, and Zweli races against time to bring justice to the people of Refilwe. Morena drops a bomb that leaves Pharaoh worried on Tuesday. Morena makes a risky move for his ambition, and Bukosi find it hard to eat a large serving of humble pie on Wednesday. Morena is reckled with guilt as corporate tried to bond with him, and Kaingiso thinks Bukosi has gone mad on Thursday. Everyone in Refilwe has to watch where they walk, and a familiar face is about to take a wrong turn on Friday. Beauty dances on a knife edge, and Morena has a point to prove. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome.